Okay, I'm not gonna talk much this time because last time I did, everyone grilled me for it. So I'm just gonna cut to the chase and unbox this bitch and see what it takes. I've also got this too, in case you're wondering. I got a second unit because last one was so good that I had to give it to my sister. I'll open it again, but right now this one deserves all of my attention. I got the DSP version because they did not have I mean, let's say it's good because since the cable is replaceable, it does not matter if you get the DSP version or just the 3.5 version. And there's these ear tips. These look like the kind that comes with TANCHJIM 0. Nothing special here. And you get you got the same kind of TANCHJIM pouch that you get with every TANCHJIM IMs. And this is the moment that we were waiting for. See, this is the DSP version. Focus, bitch, focus. Okay, okay. These are small. These are very small. Let me compare these to my Albas. Okay, these are smaller than Alba. Who would have known? Also, it does look like a bunny if you look at it. Does it not? These are the ears, and this is the body. Pretty cute. Okay, let me just plug it in and see how it sounds, and then I can close the video. There's not much in the box aside from that, but yeah, it does look very cute. Can you see the insides? You can totally see the insides, but it does also look very cheap. That's unavoidable for the price. Let's see if it really is that good, because the hype that it's been getting lately is off the charts. And yeah, I'm not gonna use the DSP cable, so let me change I might have to change the ear tips too, but wow, just appreciate this for an instant. This is cute and shiny. Has got this bunny text engraved into it. Oh, come on, man, what is wrong with? I need a good phone. Okay, let me swap the cable. Let me plug the cable and then we can taste it out. I'm using the Zing's Blue Moon Twist cables. So the red one goes here. I'm looking into the camera actually, that's why I should not. Okay, good. And now the left one. This is gonna be a bit of a, come on, I cannot focus. I can't see where it's going. I don't even know where to put it. Okay, so here we go for the first listen, and I'm gonna try the same old basic song that I always listen to. Should I change the ear tips? Let me see if these ones fit me or not. Okay, these are pretty small. Should try the Clarions. Or maybe something from the box, because most people would. Not everyone has the spare tips. So yeah, that would be unfair to try my own tips now. So let me pick something that is slightly bigger. Okay, this one looks fine. Should go with this. I'm gonna go with this. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, this is very tight. Very tight. Tighter than my first time. Oh. Yeah, this is not. Oh, look at the fucking nozzles. It's thick as fuck. It looks very much like TANCHJIM 0. Oh man, the focus is bad. Atrocious. You guys are gonna hate me for this. Okay, Okay. I think I'm good to go. I'm very good to go. I'm very good to go. Let me play the first song. I have no idea what to play, but yeah. Should I try jazz? You guys want to see what I'm gonna play? Okay, let me show you. I have a playlist called Beck's favorite jazz tracks, and I'm gonna start with track 5. I'm gonna keep the volume pretty low, and there we go. Hmm. Nope. I don't like this. Let me try it with the feel. Hmm. Okay, now this is much better. I guess it has a lot of bass, that's why it did not go too well with DX1 because DX1 is already pretty warm. Uh, Let me try a different song. It's okay. It's okay. Nothing mind blowing. I will have to give it some time. Maybe I should try some vocals then. Caroline, because that's what I pick all the time. Mm, yeah, it's good.